My name is Kiran Makkar, and today I am going to discuss with you a cue card for the IELTS speaking test. Describe a person you know who dresses well. Who is the person? What kinds of clothes this person likes to wear? How do you know that person? Explain why you think the person dresses well. Fashion has become a major industry in the last few years. Everyone wants to wear fashionable clothes and follow the latest trends in fashion. I know many people who dress well, but today I will talk about a person who I think dresses very well. She is none other than my mother. She is in her 50s, and even though her hair has started graying, she looks very beautiful. She likes to wear traditional Indian clothes. She mostly wears a sari or a traditional Punjabi suit. She doesn't read any fashion magazines and doesn't follow the latest trends. She has a very creative mind. She believes that to look good, one does not need to wear the latest fashion, but one should recognize one's body and dress accordingly. For example, if tight t shirts are in fashion, but if the person is fat, it would not suit that person. So one should dress according to one's own body. In fact, people like my mother create new fashion and other people then want to wear clothes like them. She designs her suits or her dresses and outfits herself. She receives compliments for her clothes and for the way she carries herself. She looks very graceful in whatever she wears. She has now started experimenting and wears a fusion of traditional and Western wear. She looks very fashionable in the Western wear too. I always go with her for shopping when I need new clothes. My mother designs clothes for me for special occasions like weddings and other parties. I won the prize for the best dressed person in the school's farewell party. It was all because of my mother. She has been my inspiration and role model, and I look up to her. I am not as creative as her, but I wish to be like her. I wish to see the same respect and admiration in others' eyes for me as they have for her. So, this was the cue card ideas that I have given you. You can speak on anybody. You can speak on your father, your mother, your aunt, your friend. You can speak on anybody. These are the ideas to go 2 minutes. Here are some sample, model answers for the follow-up questions. What kinds of clothes are proper for work? This depends on the type of work a person is doing. But definitely one thing is sure that there should be a dress code because when there is a uniform at work, it gives a sense of discipline to the employees. And then if a person is working in industries and the loose clothes can come in the machines, so there should not be any ties or anything hanging things. So this is very important that the clothes for work should be selected accordingly. Would you like to wear uniform to work? Yes, definitely. It would give me a sense of discipline. It would be an identity, and moreover, a dress code is a social leveler. All the employees are in the same uniform, so it is one doesn't have to spend too much on the clothes to wear every day to work. Is it easy to buy cheap clothes in India? Well, in India, you can get clothes to suit every pocket. There are outlets where you can buy clothes at very cheap rates, and then there are branded showrooms in which there are very expensive clothes. Do young Indians shop on the internet? Definitely, young Indians love to shop on the internet. They are very techno savvy and they can buy things on the internet. Nowadays, even if young people do not have their own credit card, there is a cash on delivery option which many sites provide, and so it has become very easy for the young Indians to shop on the internet. Do you like to go shopping on your own or with friends? I generally like to go shopping with my friends because then we can decide and discuss and decide with each other what to buy and what not to buy. And then sometimes it's very confusing because there are too many options nowadays. Should parents buy their children expensive clothes? I don't think so, because children outgrow their clothes very, very soon. So it's not very wise to buy very expensive clothes for children. But for some special occasions, occasionally an expensive dress can be bought. But generally, children's clothes should not be very expensive. Thank you.